Arrive in style with this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include split bench seat, GVWR 7100 pounds, 3221 kilograms, STD, auxiliary audio input, rear bench seat, steel wheels, tow hooks, and front side airbag. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.